Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. And I have been not able to do any blooming for a while. I've got an 8-inch, I believe it's 8x8-inch canvas started. And I mixed up some GAC 800 into my latex paint and some Artist Loft. And I am going to be willing to try to use it as pillow paint, even if it's a little runny, after I remove that bug. Goodbye, bug. Oh, good, he left on his own. Maybe a little more. Maybe a little something that I think is thicker. I'm not sure why the other one is so thin, but maybe it's because I just made it up earlier today. Alright, so I've got colors that I need to use up that have been in these silly containers. Now I've got little bottles. I'm afraid this is going to get wasted because it's been sitting for a while, a few days, and the mixture with the polyurethane in it is not as likely to last. I saw that thing go in there. What are you, thing? Ah, you're just a bubble. So I'm not putting these in any particular order. And I am thinking I'm going to just swipe. And I still have to figure out what color I'm going to use for the cell activator. I hope this doesn't need to be mixed. Seems alright. That is a magnificent color. It's not looking very shimmery right now, though. So I've already gone overboard, obviously. That was the breeze caught that. And I am going to use, I was going to use the cell activator that's this color, but I think I'm going to use, oh, wow, okay, I guess that is the cell activator. So cross your fingers that this works. And I'm going to use some black. That's all there is to it. Some black that used to be cell activator. Maybe I'll blow into that first before I swipe, because I can. The name of my book on the Amazon link. First link under Show More. What was working for me the other day was the golden product that's magenta. So I'm just going to use some of that again. And we'll see if I swipe. Maybe I won't. I may have inadvertently used too much paint. Ha! Go figure. Not getting the cells I was hoping for, but then I'm also a little rusty. It's been a minute. I've got some other colors I want to use. Maybe I should, ooh, I got some cells, cool. I wonder if the gold will sell. Let's try it. Let's try anything. Nothing like blowing a bubble directly into your work. That is not selling. Okay then. Basically, what's going on now is I have to decide to tip this off. So I'm going to move a few things out of my way for a moment. Attempt to, anyway. And learn to control myself and use fewer colors. Alright, so that's an edge catcher, and it's going to catch some paint. And if I like the paint, I'll scoop it up and use it on something else. You know what? I really still want to swipe. And I'm wondering if I've got any dark turquoise over here that I'm unaware of. Yeah, I had a beautiful teal, deep teal color. It was like peacock. It was from Primary Elements. I could use some white. I didn't use any white mica powder. So let's just do that because I can. Rather than dump it off immediately. Why don't I just try and see what will happen if I dump some of it off. Or maybe try not to dump any of it off and see what I get in spite of that. Sort of bass-ackwards way of doing stuff. Could be really cool. Manipulating the flow. Oh, I did get some gold cells down there. I like the black negative space. I'm not sure how much of that I'll be able to keep. I got some nice lacing, but there's not much of it. I kind of figure if I blow those colors down over the side, I might have some luck. And I think I'm going to put a little bit more black right up here. So I'm not going to declare that I'm terrible at this, but I'm not the best either. I'm not even close to the best. I'm not in the running, shall we say. That's cool. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and grab my beautiful magenta again, which sells. And see what happens. Oh yeah, that's gorgeous. I'm liking that turquoise in there too. I think I could just keep playing. I like the white mica. I like how it sort of melts. It's basically all bets are off, making it into something I want it to be. This lacing in the center is just perfectly placed. As opposed to that mica that didn't do anything I wanted it to do. But will soon be joined by gold. I have another one of these canvases and I'm strongly considering using the actual pillow paint because I still have a little left that I haven't mixed in with my regular. That's too bad. I just got rid of something really beautiful. Ooh, I see a creature in there. I'm gonna have to destroy its eye in order to get rid of it. I do like actually dragging my skewer through these. I thought I couldn't get away with it when I first tried these. I really like that, and I want to use some of the blue. Not the dark blue that I didn't use that I should have. Maybe I should. Maybe I should see what happens when I use that, since I still got a minute or two left. Yeah, that's a beautiful blue. And if you can get a little string started and be patient, not my strong suit, you can drag that right along. That's gorgeous. Wow. Okay, I'm not unhappy I did that a bit. Ooh, that's too much. All right, I'll live. Let's go right down over the edge. I don't really want to blow on that. I don't want to bury it either. I really want more gold. Gold freak. Not hating on that either. What's holding me back? Hey, turn. Let that go right over the side. Let's skewer. Hey, that worked. I was pre-trained to believe that that wasn't going to work because the puddle was so heavy, but then I remembered that I didn't use conventional pillow paint. So that would be why it works. I've got paint on my edges. I'm going to probably wind up using a spatula. I'm loving all that. I just want some more turquoise, that's all. I'm not even sure it's a good idea. But I'm hoping that if I go small enough, it won't be a problem. Cool. I'm loving that. Cool, cool, cool. I wonder if I can do that with the cell activator. Probably I shouldn't try. But guess what? It's just such a neat effect, I have to try. Very cool. Ha! In for a penny, in for a pound. Hey, you can't do that with the top on. Come on, don't be sticky. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying, I'm really glad you guys joined me. And if you're looking for more videos, I have 1,200 of them if you go to my channel. This is so cool. I'm so glad you joined me. I said that already. You inspire the heck out of me. That's what's going on there. So I'm always trying to sell you something because I'm trying to support my studio. So I'll start with, if you go to the end screens, you'll find this month's exhibition video that will show you what the prizes are if you're a $10 or more contributor to the studio through PayPal or Patreon. Do I want just a little bit more white up there? I kind of do. And I think I want to meld it with my straw. This is a beautiful piece. I love this. Which reminds me, I do sell my artwork. And I don't teach blooming technique, but I do give classes at the house in Spring Hill in Florida. If you guys want to contact me for any reason, you can try the email address right underneath the video. There, that's not bothering me. This is, though, I think a little more paint right there won't hurt me a bit. I did prime my sides and corners before I did this, knowing my proclivity to not finish in the usual ways. So please share my videos, and if you watch them longer, you might help the YouTube algorithm actually believe that I was a valuable member of the paint pouring community, and might give me some placement again. YouTube, do you hear me? You're not being fair. I love you guys. There's almost 86,000 of you. There may actually be 86,000 of you. Hard to tell. I've been waiting for the last 125 for quite a while. But look under the video if you want to help me. You can find an Amazon link, and if you shop there, it's at no added cost to you. You can find my books called Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, and the OXO omelet turning spatula, best paint spreading tool around, and the Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas, also very good. My number one is my go-to. I really wouldn't like to have to do this without it. So, what else? There's a crib sheet. Why don't I read it? Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter under the video. Paint pouring recipe under the video. Check my playlists. I think I said there's 13 genres and 11 lists, 10 of which have 100 in them each. That's it. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, saying I should probably not torch this, but since that's what I usually do, I'm going to do it again right now. Let's see what I get. Never lit one of these on fire yet. Nice little cells. Not really lacing, but that's okay. So we'll call this Not Another Bloom again. I love you guys. I will see you anon. Check the Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. If you want to be a student, you can join. And if you're looking for tomorrow's video, that's the place to find it. Or on my channel header. Excuse me. On my channel under Community. Let's see what you can see. That mark can't stay. Let's zoom in a little bit. Excellent. Alright, you guys, I hope you come again. Yes, I did. And after I torched. That's okay. It'll settle down and it'll be fine. I love you guys. I'll see you. Bye for now. Priscilla out.